Hi, I'm Rupak George. I'm a music producer and a workshop facilitator, and I've recorded thousands of sounds for albums, films, dance, theater, puppetry, poetry, festivals, workshops, anything I could get my hands on. I've created an online course to teach you how to edit and manage audio files, which is suitable for both complete beginners and experienced audio editors. If you're writing songs in your bedroom, editing voiceover recordings for an app, scoring sound for a film, or basically managing any kind of audio at all, this course is designed to help you finish your projects much faster and to help you collaborate with other people or other music production softwares. We're going to do this by developing powerful habits, clean organization skills, and building solid foundations. I'm going to be using Logic Pro and Ableton on a Mac, but theoretically the concepts are universal and should work for any professional DAW that has similar levels of functionality. I'm going to edit instruments from a funky dance song with my world music band Mantravine. So if you have a project that you're working on, make sure you open it and work side by side with me. I'll share just a few clips from the course to see if you'll connect with it. And if you feel like you want to gain access to the knowledge from this course, I'm really looking forward to teaching and learning with you. Here we go. Build time-saving templates, know all the essential key commands, and understand what the different processes for combining audio are. I'd press my key command, just to move the region to the playhead, freeze and track, and it's freezing the arrangement. Bounce in place. It's going to add the processing that's happened here with the EQ and the compression so that I don't have to have those plugins on. Learn efficient editing techniques, move the timing of audio around, and get a clear vocal performance. You can visually see how much of the silence it's going to remove. At this point, it hits 0 dB. And keep the audio there and keep it stretched out. I've completed all my flex marker edits. All the fades, silencers have all been imprinted into the audio file. Develop effective habits to expand your sample library. Ensure that audio files never get lost, and transfer audio between two DAWs. I'm going to add this text before each name. So all the names now have their key and they have their tempo. I'm going to use the automatic search this time. It's found all the files. Check. Starting at 5, and here are we starting at 5? Good.